I just got a phone call about a beehive that was found in a tree that was cut down. So I'm going to investigate and see if they are still there. It's getting awful cold. I don't know if I can get enough food out of the stump or tree, whatever it is, to get them through the winter, but as I say, I'm heading out, and I'll give you an update in a little bit. Okay, I'm going back this long road that this guy described. It's supposed to be where somebody's doing some logging. I'm supposed to go past the fish sign by his house, then back up, turn in the driveway before that, follow it back till I come to a cabin or something, and I should be able to see where the road is worn to follow it through the field to where these bees are supposed to be. So I'm not sure if I'm at the right location or not. If nothing else, it's really pretty back here. Okay, now it looks like I gotta drive across a creek. All right, I'm gonna have to set my phone down for this. And I have no idea how I could get all of these bees out of this big old oak. I'm gonna go up here and take a look on the opposite side. This thing goes all the way through the inside of that tree. And I have no clue how I would get to the queen. I'm gonna have to sit back and assess this. This is quite a logging operation here. I have a message into a friend to check with about these bees, because I really don't think there's any way that I can get them myself. I'm waiting to hear back from her. And it says my message failed to send. I guess I'm too far out in the country. Well, these bees are from one end of that thing to the other, and I don't see any sense in aggravating them and disturbing them. I would almost have to have something that I could completely enclose the end of this log with a box or a bag, and maybe try to move them out from one end to the other. But like I say, there's no telling where the queen is in there, and they're just thick. So I guess there's really nothing left for me to do other than to put my stuff away and head back to the house. A little bit of an adventure for today anyways. Pretty afternoon here in Kentucky. Wish I had a little more successful video to show you, but that's just how it is. So I'm gonna put stuff away and see if I can go home and get this on the computer for you. Thanks for watching, and we will see you soon. Well, I'm back again already. This was the little cabin that the guy told me about. Somebody's got a really nice place out here. Hello, dogs. That pond is way down. I don't know if they have a leak or if that's just due to the drought that we've gone through this summer. It would sure be nice to be this far away from society back here. Beautiful area. This is the little creek I gotta cross. Sycamore, some cedar. Well, I'm about back to the main road, so I'm gonna shut my camera down and head to the house.